Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to look up an account on the XRP Ledger. In the previous video about creating accounts, I showed you how to look up the account on the Block Explorer. So today I'm going to show you how to use actual code to make the request to the blockchain. Now, we are going to import the clients first. So we say from XRPL.client import JSON RPC client. Since we are going to make a request to the blockchain about the account information, we are going to import the account information model from XRPL models by saying from XRPL.models import account info. Up next, we create a client that will make this request to the blockchain on our behalf by saying client is equal to JSON RPC client, and then we pass in the URL, which is again this testnet URL. Now we build our requests by saying account info is equal to account info, the class, and then we pass in the accounts, which I already have here, which is an account I generated from our previous tutorial. And finally, well, not finally, but we pass in a parameter called ledger index, and we set it as validated. Now, what this request does is by passing in this ledger index, what it does, it queries the blockchain and access the blockchain for the most recently validated block. From there, it now requests this account information. So by passing in ledger index as validated, it makes us query the most recent information about this account. Now, if you're passing something else here, like say a block number, it will only query information about this account from this particular block number. But that is not what we want to do today, so we are going with validated. Now we make our requests. Make requests by creating a variable called, let us say, request account info is equal to clients, the JSON RPC client we created earlier, dot request. Then we pass in the account info request object we just created. Finally, we print our results by saying print return account info dot result. Now, what this does is, simply put, it makes so far we've built our client, we've created the request object, we've made the request, and currently we're returning the results of our request. So what we are going to do, we are going to run this code and see what it shows us. Python accounts look.py. So as you can see, our code ran successfully. What we did was we ran this line of code and then wrote the response to this account info.json file. Now we are going to open the JSON file and I can show you. So you can see this is the account, this is the balance, these are the flags, this is the ledger entry type, the previous transaction ID, previous transaction ledger sequence. You can see the account flags here. So we'll go over this in another video. You can see the valid ledger hash, which is the hash of the most recent ledger that was queried for this information. You can see the index, we can see validated is equal to true. So this just means that this block that we requested this information from was validated by the blockchain. So yeah, thank you.